Hi, I'm Linda, and today we're going to talk about ropes. At Rawganique, we've been making rope since 1997. It's organic, it's pure. Some of this beautiful fine rope is very smooth. We grow the hemp and process it ourselves all in one place. This is particularly skin friendly. A lot of our ropes are used for toy making and historical reenactment, gardening, trellises, some shibari. We often get called upon from TV and movie production studios in Vancouver, BC, because we're very close, and they would like authentic, pure, organic rope. So we supply quite a bit of it to them. This is the Flax linen rope. You might be able to see that it's a little different from this hemp rope, and again different from this beautiful premium ultra hemp rope. So check this out. This is the natural hemp stock. And we take that and we process it and turn it into this beautiful organic rope, which I love. Now this is the really fine stuff. Look at this, it's just fabulous. And this is how we make this beautiful premium rope that is so smooth. We have many, many customers using our ropes for all kinds of things. What will you use it for? Bottom line is, these are the purest, most natural, most unprocessed rope that you can lay your paws on. Trust me, I know. Rawganique. Raw, organic, and unique.